This is the unboxing of the WinTV-dualHD live TV for Cordcutters by Hauppauge. I bought it to use with the Nvidia Shield, which I recently purchased, and I also have the Plex membership, so I'm hoping it'll work great since the Plex and Nvidia Shield are on the box here. So I'm going to try to do this recording with one hand, so bear with me. This is the outside of the box, and up here there's a big tape that goes across. I can cut it with my one hand. There we go. It's some of the stuff I like. Oh, I think I might have saw something on there. Then got a USB extending cable there, and oh, I guess I should not show that one. Here's the device itself. This looks like this is an antenna. It appears they include one. Oh, here's the remote. There's this flyer with the promo code underneath my thumb, and I guess some instructions here on add live TV to your Plex Pass server on Windows and Linux. And then there's an activation code on the other yellow sheet, which I do not want to share, so I won't be showing that. Then this is a quick installation guide for the software that comes with this. And that's it. So this is what you get when you buy this. That's the end of the video.